Welcome to the class. I hope all of you are fine. See, today our department has released a video on relations and functions. So I have forwarded that link in the WhatsApp group. I hope all of you will follow that video. See, in that video, you write down the problems which are not solved by me. Okay, you observe carefully and write down the solutions of those problems which have not been solved. I hope you are listening. See, in this class, let us take up the next topic here, binary operations. Binary operations. See here, binary operations means, what is the definition of binary operations? See, a binary operation, first you write down the definition, afterwards I will explain with some examples. A binary operation star, so we need a set, a binary operation star on a set A. See, it is a function from A cross A to, see, A cross A to A. So we denote that by this is, we write it as A star B. So where A and B are any two elements, so we write this as A star B. So the star is any operation, it is defined on a set A. It is nothing but, binary operation is a function from where to where. A cross A is a Cartesian product to set A, so we denote this as A star B. Okay, let us understand this by taking an example here. So once again I will repeat the definition. Once this has been asked for one more question, define binary operation means what we have to write. A binary operation on set A, it is a function from A cross A to A. We denote it by A star B. So this is the definition, so you have to write it in the notebook. So let me explain this by one example here. So let us, we need a set here. So let us consider say a set of natural numbers. So that is n. Let us consider the set of natural numbers. So we know set of natural numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, it is infinite set. See here, we have taken the set of natural numbers. So here star, they have given this star. So what is the star here? So star may be addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So let us consider here, say addition. So if I take any two elements, say 1, 2, so they are natural numbers, then I apply this. So if I add any two natural numbers, see, I will get another natural number. So here 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So 3 belongs to n. So what is our conclusion here? We say that, see here, observe the example which I have taken. The conclusion is, we say that n, that is set of natural numbers, is n is closed on addition, that is plus. So the set of natural numbers is closed. Closed means it obeys closure property, because addition of two natural numbers is once again a natural number. Therefore we say n is closed on plus. So we write this as so this we write in the form of, say here, n, I have considered the natural number set and I have taken the sign, addition sign, this is n plus. So set of natural numbers is closed on addition. Therefore, n comma plus. So this natural number set on addition, it is closed. That means addition is binary on set of natural numbers. Addition of any two natural numbers, I will be getting once again a natural number. So we write that as, say, we denote it as a star b. See this a star b. So this star is, in this case, star is what? Addition. So I have considered two natural numbers. What are the two natural numbers I have considered? So I can take, say, here 2 star 3. So that is, I will be getting another natural number. That means here particularly I have taken plus here. 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 5. So 5 is a natural number. Therefore star is binary. See, observe here. Therefore we say that star is binary. Star is binary. So what is this star? Star is, in this case, addition. So we say that addition is binary on set of natural numbers. This is one example. So I have taken natural number set and I have shown that addition is binary. I hope all of you are following. So let us consider another example. So let me take another example here and let's see what happens. See, consider the same set here, natural numbers. So here I will consider, see, multiplication. So now my sign is multiplication. So you see here, if I multiply any two natural numbers, say 1 and 2, 1 into 2 I get 2. So multiplication of any two natural numbers, I will be getting natural number. So what is my conclusion? So natural numbers, and I have taken the sign as multiplication. So n comma multiplication, it is closed. So that means here multiplication of any two natural numbers, I will be getting natural number only. Therefore multiplication is binary on set of natural numbers. Okay. Then let me take another example and test it here. Same set, I will be taking natural numbers, say 1, 2, 3 to this one. See, now I will take minus, subtraction. So let us see what happens here. See, 1 and 2, I will consider 1 and 2. So 1 minus 2, I will be getting, see here, minus 1. It is not a natural number. See here. So if I subtract any two natural numbers, I will not get natural number always. See, I got minus 1. Minus 1 does not belongs to n. So what is the conclusion here? So here we can say that n is not closed on subtraction, minus. N is not closed on subtraction. Therefore set of natural numbers, if I consider set of natural numbers, if I subtract any two natural numbers, I will not always get a natural number. Therefore we say n is not closed on subtraction. It's clear? So what is our conclusion here? See here, this is binary. Set of natural numbers on multiplication, it is binary. Set of natural numbers on subtraction, it is not binary. Observe here. These two satisfies the closure property. This does not satisfy closure property. Natural numbers on subtraction, that's why I put an into mark here. So it is not a binary operation. So similarly I can write, see here, if I take say 1 divided by 2. See, divided by, I have considered this divided by sign. So you get half. So half is not a natural number. Half is not a natural number. Therefore you can say set of natural numbers on division, this is also not binary. I hope you can understand this basic point here. So our conclusion says, see, once again I will write this. It is binary, star is binary in this case. It is also binary. So it is not binary. So natural numbers on this set, it is also not binary. Okay. So in this way we can test this binary for set of whole numbers, set of integers, set of rational numbers, and set of real numbers. So we go on verifying whether the operation satisfies closure property or not. So this is the way of verifying whether the given operation is binary or not. I hope you can understand this point clearly here. See, that's why we told the definition here. A binary operation on a set A is nothing but it is a function from, see, A cross A to A. So if we consider any two elements A comma B, so that is denoted by A star B, where the star is, the star may be plus or minus or divided by or into. It may be addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. It depends upon the problem. So it is a function from A cross A to A, and it is denoted by A star B, where A and B are any two elements. So just in this video I have shown you through some examples by taking a natural number set and verifying whether it is binary or not. So similarly we can extend this theory for other sets also. Okay, so let us take another example here. So I will consider integers here. So -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is set of integers. So now let us check whether it satisfies or not. So z on multiplication. That means I shall consider two integers, and I have taken the sign as multiplication. Say I will consider any two integers here, say 2 into another integer 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. So multiplication of any two integers is once again a integer. So what is my conclusion? So my conclusion should be z on multiplication, it is binary. Of course z on addition, it is also binary. Z on, you can check yourself, on subtraction, it is also binary. So in all these three cases, star will be binary. So what is the other thing left out here? So another important here is z on divided by, say here, this is not a binary operation, because see, if we consider, say 1 is integer and 2 is another integer, see, half is not a integer, it does not belong to z. Therefore division is not binary on set of integers. So in this way we can verify this binary property. So you write down such examples in your notebook, and don't forget to go through the definition here. So what is the definition? See, a binary operation star on set A is a function from A cross A to A. We denote this star of AB by A star B. So this binary operation has many properties. So binary operation has many properties. So we can verify or see those properties in the next video. So you understand this binary operation, definition of binary operation properly. Thank you.